welcome back to my channel. Bago ka lang sa channel ko, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends too. For today's video, we'll be heading north. Bibisitahin natin yung matagal ko nang gustong bisitahin na churches. One is in Baraswain Church in Malolos, and the other one is at Betis Church in Guagua, Pampanga. Let's go. And for now, we're heading to Quezon City muna to fetch Hazel and Marcus. Let's go. Ayan na yung magnanay. Hi, Marcus!
Hello!
Ayan si Madam, oh. About to enter Malintawak Toll. We are now here in Marilao to fetch Ate Ve and Kyle naman. Ayan na sila. Baraswain Church, Purgod, Malolos. Taas ng tricycle sa harap namin. Antay-baha. We're now here at the location of the most famous church here in Bulacan, Baraswain Church. There. This is where the First Republic of the Philippines was congregated. So this is inside the Baraswain Church. And it's Wednesday before the Holy Week. Kaya may kalakbong na yung mga santo nila. Ganda ng chandeliers, saka ng mga ibang intricate design sa mga poste. So this is the Church of Baraswain. And the Malolos Constitution is drafted chiefly by Felipe G. Calderon. Ito yung pasadya. Ayan si Madam nang tumakas. Ayun o. Daming tao kasi may nagpi-field trip din. Beside the church is the museum, and old style na parang Hispanic house. We are now at San Fernando City in Pampanga, going to St. James Parish or Betis Church in Guagua, Pampanga. So we are here at Betis Church. Let's see the Sistine-like ceiling of this church inside. Let's go. Oh. this is the inside part of the church, and this is the beautiful ceiling. This is one of the most famous retablos. Kaya lang naka-cover siya ngayon ng purple cross kasi mag-Holy Week na next week. Beautiful church indeed. Ang ganda. Maalig yung ulap sa mga bundok dun. Nice view. We are now here in Adhika Cafe to have our early dinner. Here's what we had in Adhika in some of our captured photos. Heading home. Sila Berlisa muna in Marilao and NLEX namin. Kaya lang walang traffic. Toll Plaza. Then we'll be traveling to Manila. Bye Ate Be, thank you.
Bye bye.
Let's go.
Nakakalimot, no?
Tara na. Daanan muna natin yung takoyaki. Pasalubong ni Hazel. Kanina mo papasalubong.
Okay. Bye bye.
Hi Marco. So yun na. Sabi na namin yung maglana. See you again. Punta ko na kami sa San Juan to get my laptop. Then wait na ang papa. And we're finally back home. Dito ko natatapusin ang ating video. Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends too. See you on my next vlog. Bye!